Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have a couple of things I picked up from Macy's using my Capital One shopping rewards. So I thought that I would share that with you. Guys, if you're not using Capital One shopping and you're shopping online, you're really missing out. You can use it just like you, it's like Rakuten, but I think it's so much better than Rakuten, especially when they give you specialized offers just for you. There's, when you just go to their app, you will get like the generalized offer that they give everybody, but then when you go to your email, a lot of times you get special offers, and it usually be significant, like 20, sometimes 30, 40% back. So and you can use it anywhere that they have that they are partnered with for gift cards. Say like if you buy something from Kate Spade, you don't have to buy it. Use your rewards at Kate Spade. You use your rewards. Now they have a list and it updates and changes all the time. But like Macy's a lot of times is a partner. Belk is a lot of times a partner. Just different ones, and you get the gift card and then you use it. So anyway, I thought that I would these. I had enough rewards to get both of these absolutely free. I did not pay a dime for these, and this is for stuff you're already you're already going to buy from like Dooney and Michael Kors and Kate Spade. Now Coach, they usually only give you like 2%. One time I had something where I had a special offer for like 12% back or something like that, and it didn't work. It's the only time I tried to use their link and it didn't work. I think it was some kind of mistake, because Coach, they just don't give that kind of rewards back. All right, so let's see. We got samples of their Juicy Couture. All right. So, since these were related, I went ahead and opened both of these. So, I thought that this was cute. This is a passport cover, and so I wanted to try this. I thought this was really pretty. I think this was like $39. And I'm going to put one of my little notebooks in here, and you can have a little, if you do planners, or if you just, want something for, to have, to note, like writing down your shopping list or whatever, this would be cute for that. And that's what I got. So you got a little side pockets here, a little side pocket there. If you had a notebook, you can put it, put the covers there. And then you got places for cards. And I like it. And you get your money here. I think this is leather, but I'm not sure, because Michael Kors does vegan as well. I don't know, it kind of looks like vegan stuff. But anyway, that's that. Okay, and then this, I saw someone else, another YouTuber, talk about this, and I thought it was super cute. It wasn't going to be something I picked up, but then they put this on sale. This was, I think, $97. They have since gone up on it a little bit. It's on sale, but I think it's something like $105 or something like that. And then I got those rewards, and I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. I'm not a small purse girl, but sometimes I do. And this is cute. It's not tiny or anything. And I thought, when I saw the other person, that person is usually a Dooney person. I can't remember. I think it's Miss Phoebe, but she's usually a Dooney person. And this was so cute when I saw her pick it up. It was, like I said, it wasn't going to be on my to-do list, but then I got that those rewards, and I was like, I'm gonna use it for that. All right, so I like the big thick strap right here, and I have seen other people wearing something like this, but it's usually like white or cream or something, and I thought it was really cute, but I really like the denim about this. So you got a little front pocket here, and I like the signature with the denim. I think it's really cute. And look at the sides here, super cute. I have been gravitating more toward Michael Kors now that I'm kind of irritated with Coach. Y'all, I didn't get anything from the Coach drop, and that wasn't like I'm boycotting Coach or anything. But I thought that this Coach drop was just crazy, and I didn't think it was cute at all. And the only things, there were a few things that I thought was cute, but then those things were super expensive. They was out of my price range, and so I was like, But so I've been kind of gravitating toward Michael Kors now. All right, so let's get this on the inside here. And so this is the name of this one. I mean, that Coach April 29th drop, y'all. It's like somebody, in my opinion, was like in the 70s and had a bad acid trip. It was crazy to me. But anyway, here is what I picked up. All right, and we got our little, I think this is like a care card. Yeah, care booklet. And then, all right, So this is pretty roomy, I think, for a purse this size. I think it's really cute. So this is what I picked up. I picked this up at Macy's. It's on, well, it was on sale for like $98. I think it's a little bit more now, but I think it's super cute. And then I picked up this. So y'all can tell me what you think, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.